Hey everyone, okay, so this is my first Diamond Art Club unboxing. This is how it came. Well, it came in a bigger box, and then this box came in that box. So, already, this is what it looks like, and this is what it says on there. And there's the picture of what I bought. It says all inclusive, see back for details. So that's what the back looks like. And, sorry, I was looking. And then, okay, so let's open it. Let's see what we get. So, I think I'm going to keep it in the box it is, but I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm doing yet, quite honestly. So, okay, that comes, okay, that's what was in the box. So let's see. Oh, okay, Diamond Art Club, do it makes you sparkle. How cute. And then, oh, here's a sticker. Oh, so this is a sticker. So I do Project Life, so I scrapbook. So I can either put that in my scrapbook on a 4x6 card or a 3x, oh, I can put it in my 3x4 card. And so that was cool. Or I can, you know, put it in my own little junk journal. And then this is a little bag toolkit. It says toolkit, reusable and recyclable. Oh, sorry, it's all blurry. So this kind of reminds me of like when you open a turkey. I don't know why it's so blurry. Let me scooch it in anyways. So I don't know, it reminds me of the turkey bags when you pull the gizzards out. I don't know, this reminds me of that. I'm just weird. So this is what you get inside. Ooh, okay. So you get your little dime bags. So I guess that's standard if you want to use it that way. You get 2 spacers, a 4 and a it says on here, but I can't, 7. Sorry, a 4 and a 7. Little spacers, they go on here. You just pop them on the other end. And then this is a blue one. And then you get the little squishy thing to help you with, it's like an 80s thing. And it's a little gripper. And then, so then you get a clear, tray. I can figure it out. A tray with a stopper. This is clear and glittery. Very pretty gold glitter. Then you get the wax. The wax comes in a heart. And then, yeah, then it has a, like the other hearts, it has a little clear plastic on top. So just peel that off. And then you got the wax. And then this is a needle minder. This is super cute. So you just put this underneath your project and then put this on top, and it holds back the plastic if that's what you choose to use instead of like the papers. So if you want to do that, that works. So that works to hold it back. Okay, that's what you get in this kit. And then this is the actual project. Ooh, oh wow. That is so soft, you guys. Holy crud. That is so unbelievably soft. Oh, wow, that feels like velour. Yeah, oh, wow, that's crazy. Okay, so how does this go? Oh, it goes this way. So, oh wow, so here's your legend. And then it has scalloped edges. And it looks like they're perforated, or not perforated. It looks like are they sewn? Is that actual is it sewn? I don't know, but they're perforated. And then this is the one I bought. Oh my gosh, in my other video I'm going to post before this one, I'm going to explain to you what I discovered about Temu and AliExpress and stuff for the diamond painting world. So please watch that one. That way I can explain what happened and why I did what I did and how I'm fixing it. So so let me just, in that video I'll explain this guy right here. So this designer, oh wow, this is huge, you guys. This is so huge. It's still going. Holy crud. It is a 36 by 16. So let me pick this up real quick. Let me see. Let me show you. So this right here is a 36 by 16. This is the name of it. That's the name of the designer. And that's where it's from. Customized bookshelf. Okay, everybody, where were we? We were somewhere, right? So, let's see. We were looking at the wax. We saw the cover keeper. So, when I showed you how to do that, we got a sticker. We got step-by-step directions. And we were looking at the, let's see, at the canvas itself. And I think I unwrapped all of it, but sorry if it's a weird one. Okay, so this is a lot of color blocking, and it's fine with me. I ordered more of the, let me scoot you out. I ordered more of the spacers that Diamond Art Club has. And they're like the 12, I think it's 12, 10, 6, and maybe 9. I'm not sure. But yeah, and oh, you guys, this is just gorgeous. So I think my husband and I are starting this one tomorrow. I'm not sure. But, and then look at their legend. Their legend is so clear and so perfect. It is so neat. And like I said, there's 52 colors. So let's go through the drills. And, oh, so then this is what I think is so amazing. So not only you got a start date and end date, you also get another picture. And like I said, I think I'm going to start junk journaling my my diamond paintings, so that when I'm done and stuff. And then these are stickers, and you can put them on your little Tic Tacs, on your little pee bottles. I don't know what else to call them. They could be pill bottles too, I guess, and miniature ones, or your trays. So yeah, and I haven't hauled that, but you know what, I'll haul that next, my Amazon order. So anyway, so these peel off and you put them on, and it's just amazing. I love it. I love it. So let's look at their drills. I'm excited to see what they have to offer. So if you didn't watch the other video, I'll tell you right now that I am done. I'm done ordering knockoffs from Temu and AliExpress and stuff. I did not know that they were designers here in America, and so that was my bad. Ignorance is ignorance. So yeah, so I won't be doing that anymore. So I'll be probably end up buying more Diamond Club stuff. Oh, look how pretty these are. Okay, how do you start this one? Because it's like, maybe we'll just start here. And you can, they're covered on all the ends, so it's as good as it gets. So you're going to see 52 colors, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. My husband and I are still, because I was telling him, I go, you know, because my husband and I do the diamond painting together. I asked him to do it with me because I get obsessed, and I tend to, I would like probably stay up all night just doing one, you know, and I can't do that. I can't do my time like that. So I asked him to, and because he's amazing, my husband's a really awesome guy. He doesn't feel like his masculinity is left the building because he's diamond painting with me. No, he actually loves me, and I asked him to do this with me, and he said yes. And he actually said the other day, because we did a villains one for my mom, he's like, okay, he's all, if we're going to do this, he goes, it was fun. He goes, and I liked it. He's all, but you need to buy the better quality ones. So he's all, because the pixelated ones, he goes, we're doing all this work, and it's like for nothing, and if you can't really tell what you're doing. And I said, no, I agree, and I'm done buying those things. And so he goes, okay, this is an, what do you call them? I'm going to call it like Aurora. So, like Sleeping Beauty. Aurora Borealis. I cannot twirl my tongue. Oh, look at that lime green. I cannot do it to save my life. But we were trying to figure out how to do 52 colors. And I'm like, I have no clue. So we're going to, yeah, we have to have a game plan for me to kit this up. So I have the pea bottles that are like 120 of them. But I'll show you my Amazon haul and what we have enjoyed using. And it works out for us because I set us up for success. and that way he wouldn't get, you know, frustrated or anything like that, and that we could do it together, because, you know, we are sharing this canvas. And so he's like, okay. So I bought it, and I love it, and I'll show it. I'll bring it out right now and I'll show you. So look for the Amazon haul that I'm going to show you. Alright guys, that was it for Diamond Art Club. Sorry, I don't know why it keeps doing that. I don't know if it's my lights or what. But Diamond Art Club, I will be hauling from them from now on. And yeah, I just, oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Let me scooch it in. That way you can see how cute this is. Let me see. There we go. Okay, let me just keep him up. Ah, he's looking at you. Alright guys, take care. We'll see you next video. Bye. I forgot to say too, guys, about the Diamond Art Club. I will put a link below about if you, it's a referral code, and it's a referral from me. We both get something out of it. But also, if you're a first-time Diamond Art Club subscriber, or purchaser, then you can use a code. I think it's like SAVE, SAV50. It says on their website, and you can get buy one get one 50% off, and then you only need to buy one, and then you start getting a discount, and then you can join their Facebook group, and you get a permanent discount, and that's just so cool. I like that because I love coupons. If you guys know and watch my channel, I love coupons. So I will be putting the referral code down below. We both get something out of that, and then you can also do the codes for the buy one get one half off, which I did that. So alright guys, take care. Bye.